like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, welcome back to another vlog, even though I know I just said that. But we are getting ready to, and you know what, first let me correct myself, this isn't even a vlog. I mean, I guess it is, it's a daily vlog. So yeah, y'all, welcome back. But listen, we are getting ready to head out to go to the pumpkin patch. I'm so excited. Every year the boys and I go to the pumpkin patch, and this year we have some company. This year we are actually going with a couple of friends of ours. So we are going to this pumpkin patch. I believe it's over in Stockbridge. This is our first time going to that pumpkin patch, so it should definitely be so much fun. We enjoy ourselves every time we go and do something for the holidays, whether it's the pumpkin patch, going to see Santa, or just whatever it is. The boys and I enjoy ourselves. So this time I figured it would be best to pick up the camera and bring you guys along. Okay, we got a full battery and we got full activities planned, and I'm very excited. I don't know if you can tell that the holidays is probably one of the best times of the year for me. I love it, even though it causes me to spend a lot of money. I love to see the joy on my kids' face. So yeah, we are going to go and pick out pumpkins at the pumpkin patch, enjoy whatever festivities and games and stuff like that that they have at the pumpkin patch. And y'all, that's all I got for you. That's all I got for you. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. Also give this video a thumbs up because y'all know this video is getting ready to be lit. Okay, now let's go ahead and head out. Oh wait, before we head out, let me go ahead and show y'all my outfit. I'm not wearing nothing fancy, just something super basic. I just have on this black bodysuit, okay, and then I put on some chucks, just something comfortable and all of that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get out of here. Okay you guys, so we made it to the Southern Belle Farms, and of course Cree is awake, even though he just said hi to y'all and pretending like he's asleep. But
I'm not asleep. I just fake, Mama. I'm not asleep.
You were just faking?
Yeah.
But Kai is definitely sleep. So let's go ahead and wake him up so that we can go ahead and get in here and have fun while it's still sunny outside. I'm excited. This seems like a vibe.
It
seems like there's a lot to do. Like the farm is huge, so this is nice. They got horses and everything. Like, yeah, y'all, let's hurry up. Let's go.
Okay. Oh gosh! Okay, come on, y'all. I didn't like that. Wait, why did we get stuck?
They survived it, y'all. They survived.
I want my popcorn.
You want some popcorn?
I already got it in the shower.
You say what's up to the vlog, Gabby? You say what's up to the kinfolks?
What's up?
Hey girl, oh. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off.
This is a dead end! This is bad!
said it's a dead end. Oh, they got me going through a corn maze. Oh, these trays keeping up, you guys. How you doing back there, Tay?
Hey. I'm managing.
Barely, huh?
It's a little muddy up in here.
Yeah, it is. I see how no one was making it out of the corn maze in the movies. Y'all, we done lost the kids in the corn maze. That's probably how it happened. Parents think they coming for a good time, lose their kids, and then the kids become children of the corn. Ugh. Yeah, I'm just making stuff up, but. We are getting ready to do a corn maze, or no, a hayride. We just got out of the corn maze. Now we're about to do a hayride.
Oh my gosh, I hope they still have some corn on the car to eat when we get out of here. And a lemonade.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Give me a thumbs up. Yeah.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it.
Hey! You went in on the corn, man.
I think I'm gonna just use this patch.
Woo!
Bigger patch, guys.
You are so funny eating that corn like that. Is it delicious?
That's because I'm a big old eater.
Ooh, is it delicious? Good, good, good.
Hey, we don't eat it.
You're a big old eater?
No, he's that little eater.
You're a little eater.
Yeah.
Come here, guys.
Something else. Because it's a photo shoot.
Come on.
Wait, this time?
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling.
Okay, you guys. Well, it looks like everything was a huge success. The kids had a really good time here at Southern Belle Farms. I had a really good time. We will be back next year, and we will also be coming here for Christmas because we enjoyed everything so far here that I'm sure Christmas is going to be the bomb.com. While we were on the hayride, they did say a lot of stuff about coming and picking some fruits, as far as like strawberries and also blueberries and stuff like that when it's summertime, obviously, when those fruits are in season and growing. So I will be bringing my kids back up here to experience that and making strawberry jam and things like that. So this right here, this will probably be a staple in our lives every year moving on. So if you haven't, come and check this place out. It's over in Stockbridge. It's really nice. I promise you it's worth the money. 2 and under are free to get in. If you are 3 years old and older, obviously it's like $23 to get in, but it's well worth it. You do have to pay for some stuff in here, but as far as like the hay rides and picking flowers and pumpkin patches and all that, that stuff is free. But if you want to like buy pumpkin patches and all of that, you obviously have to pay for it. But yeah, this was a wonderful experience. Like I said, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog, and if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be a part of the family and continue kicking it with me and my family. And until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, kinfolks, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Oh, don't forget to hit that like button. All right. See y'all later.
But I'm the one that ease your pain. I